In this lecture, we're going to show how to use the tool interference detection. With this tool, we can find interference between components in the assembly. So here we have this assembly, and now we want to see if some components here interfere with each other. So let's go here to Evaluate tab, and here we have a tool, interference detection. So let's turn this on, and here we have to select components on which we want to apply interference detection. And by default, we have the whole assembly, and this is what we want. So to find the interference between parts, just click here, calculate. And now here on the results, we see that we have one interference, and here we can see the volume of the interference in the millimeters cubic. If we open this, we can see that this interference is between the part 1 and part 2. If we go to our assembly, we can see that this volume is designated with the red color. So here we have the interference. Now if we want to fix this, we can just go out here and let's go to Profile Center. So we have problem with this mate. Right click and let's suppress this. So let's move this here like this, and now let's go back again to Profile Center, right click, edit feature. Let's delete this, mate selections. Now let's choose this face here, and let's go here and this face here like this, and let's click OK. Now we can go here and we can unsuppress it like this. Now let's go back again to the interference detection, and now let's calculate again, and there is no interferences, and this is what we want. Now let's go out, let's go cancel. Now let's move this part somewhere like here, and now here we can see that those two parts interfere with each other. Now let's go to interference detection and let's calculate. And now we can see that here we have one interference. Here is the volume, and this is between part 2 and part 3. And here is with the red color designated this volume. Now let's go back. Now let's move this part like this. Now we can see that those two parts interfere with each other. Now let's go to interference detection and let's calculate. And now we have two interferences. So the second one is here, as you can see, between part 3 and part 2, like this. And the first one is here, as we showed before. Sometimes when you have a big assembly and some parts interfere with each other, you don't have to go and manually check this. You can use interference detection tool.